In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an item to your budget in Monarch Money, ensuring you can keep your finances organized with just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in, shall we? First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Monarch Money website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which serves as your financial command center. It's from here that we'll begin our journey to add a new budget item. Next, you need to locate the settings section. You can find this by looking around for the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol on your dashboard. It's usually easy to spot, but if you're having trouble, don't hesitate to hover over the icons on the page to reveal tooltips to guide you. Once you've clicked on settings, you're presented with several options, but for our task today, we need to focus on the categories section. This is where Monarch Money allows you to customize the different areas of your budget, tailoring them to suit your personal financial landscape. Clicking on categories brings up an overview of all the existing categories in your budget. These categories act as containers for your spending and savings, letting you sort and track your financial activities. To add a new one, look for the Create Category button, often located at the top or bottom of the page. With a click on Create Category, you're now ready to define a new area of your budget. The first step is to give it a name. Choose a name that is descriptive and intuitive so you'll remember exactly what you intended when you look back at it later. For instance, if you're planning for a future holiday, you might name the category Vacation Fund. After you've typed in your category name, it's crucial to save your new category. Near the category name field, you should see a Save button. Clicking this finalizes your new budget item, adding it to your list of categories. Now that you've created a new category, you can start allocating funds to it, allowing you to track your spending in more detail and align your financial planning with your goals. That's it. You've successfully added a new item to your budget in Monarch Money. Whether you're a seasoned budgeter or just getting started, staying organized and personalizing your budget categories is key to managing your finances effectively. Be sure to explore some of the other features Monarch Money offers to get the most out of your budgeting experience. Thank you for joining me today, and happy budgeting.